Right, okay, so show that x is 2 root 3. So we've got a triangle, we've got two sides and the angle in between, and we also know what the area is. So what we can do, we can say the area is going to be equal to a half of the product of those two sides, 2x times 3x, times the sine of the angle in between, sine 60. Okay, so if I multiply that out, half times 2 is just 1, so we've got x times 3x, so we've got 3x squared times sine 60. Now sine 60 is root 3 over 2, but we know that's got to equal 18 root 3. Okay, so if I divide by root 3, we then get that x squared is going to be equal to 18 times 2 divided by 3, which is 36 over 3, which is 12. So x is going to be the square root of 12. Now 12 we can write as 4 times 3, but you know that root of 4 is 2, so x equals 2 root 3 as required. So we've done part A. Part B, hence find the exact length of BC. Now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use the cosine rule. Okay, now this will tell us that BC squared equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 3x squared minus 2 times the product of the other two sides times the cosine of the angle in between. And that's the formula for the cosine rule. Now you know that 2x is 4 root 3. I mean, I'll write it all out, I suppose. 4 root 3 squared plus 3x is going to be 6 root 3 squared minus, now 2x again is 4 root 3, 3x is 6 root 3, and cos 60 is a half. Okay, right, so 4 root 3 squared, well 4 squared is 16 and root 3 squared is 3, so that's just 16 times 3, which is 48, plus now 6 squared is 36 and root 3 squared is just 3, 36 times 3 is 108, minus, well 2 times a half cancels out, so we're going to have, and then we're going to have 4 times 6 is 24, root 3 times root 3 is 3, so 24 times 3 is 72. So we've got 48 plus 108 minus 72, and that comes to, I think, 84, which means that BC equals the square root of 84. Now 84 is the same as 4 times 21. Root 4 is 2, so the final answer is 2 root 21.